So welcome my YouTube family. Today we are touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Ikota. Now this is a very serene and quiet neighborhood. If you're in the market looking to buy a property where it's serene, it's calm, it's peaceful, after your hustle and bustle of Lagos traffic and Lagos wahala, you will come to your house and rest your head. Now this property, it's in that kind of neighborhood which you're looking for. Now it's a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex that has ample parking space and it's in a quiet and peaceful neighborhood. Now in the short while, I'm going to flip the camera and show you everything you need to know about this lovely property. So before I go into that, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. Take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this lovely property. So let's go into the business of the day. Join me, guys, while we tour this amazing 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex in Ikota. Let's go. Okay, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we're touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in a very lovely mini estate. So for the sake of this video, we are touring this particular one. This is a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex that comes with the governor's consent and has a building approval. So it's in the market for 150 million naira. It's slightly negotiable. So before going in, let me just show you the backyard of this building. So I just needed to show you the side, because the way I usually do my videos is once you've seen my YouTube video, it's as if you are inspecting the house with me. So I will show you everything in details. Okay, so this is the backyard. So it's a semi-detached duplex right here. So you have your security, your electrical controls right here. Okay. So we have showed you the compound space. Let's go inside. Okay. So this is the compound space. You can comfortably park 2 cars right here. So this is the building proper. You can park 2 cars right here. Okay, so let's go inside. So this is the living area. As you can see, this is the living area. So it's a simple, it's a minimalistic design. So if you're looking for something simple, so this is something you should consider. So this is your visitors toilet. Okay, so this is your guest room. All rooms are en suite. Okay, so this is a shower area. Okay, so let's check out the kitchen. So this is your kitchen. So the kitchen is a fully finished kitchen. So it comes with a heat extractor, your oven, double sink. You have your space for your washing machine. And you have your cabinet space. So the kitchen comes with water heater. Okay, so let's check upstairs for the other rooms. Okay, the staircase. Okay, So one of the rooms. So all rooms are in suites. So all rooms comes with a water heater. So this is your shower area. Okay, so let's check other rooms. Room 2. All rooms are in suites. This is master's bed. Okay, so this is your closet. So right here, it's your bathroom. So you have your water heater. Okay, so this door takes you to the balcony overlooking the whole compound. So this property is in the market for 150 million naira, slightly negotiable. Comes with the governor's consent, the building approval. So it's a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. So call the number that is showing on your screen and let's book an inspection for you. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. Thank you and God bless.